It's back, Spamtember 2024. And you know, September is the national month for emergency preparedness. And we all know that preppers love their Spam, right? And it's not just preppers. Spam is a culinary staple around the world. In fact, it is sold in 50 different countries. And did you know that there are 12.8, that's almost 13 cans of Spam eaten every second? That's right, 13 cans of Spam eaten every second around the world. Pretty amazing. And now there's all different varieties. There's 12, in fact, different varieties of Spam. There's the traditional. Here's hickory smoke flavor. This is with maple. And this I love. I call this the mini-me. Because see? Yeah, it's half the size. Just great for a single serving. So there's a lot to pick from. Now, this is the 4th year of Spamtember. And we have had some great recipes in the past. I mean, it's a mainstay, the teriyaki rice and Spam. It is really great. It's so easy and my family loves it. But I've also made some more unusual Spam recipes, such as Spam jam and peanut butter cookies with Spam. You candy up the Spam before it goes in. Now, I took those peanut butter cookies to work. Everybody loved them. And it wasn't until I got done eating that I said, hey, do you know that they contain Spam? And they were absolutely surprised. So Spam can be a dessert too. In fact, I heard during the Spam Festival in Honolulu every year, they have had Spam ice cream. So it's candied pieces of Spam and ice cream, maybe with a little macadamia nuts sprinkled on top. And they say it's very, very good. Now, if your mouth is starting to water just at the mention of Spam, you gotta check out the past year's playlist. I mean, we've had everything from Spam corn dogs, Polynesian tacos, even maple glazed Spam and Brussels sprouts. I mean, there's such a variety of recipes. So be sure and check out those playlists. The links are in the description box below. Now, this year, as in past years, there will be a giveaway. It will be a handy dandy Spam cutter and musubi maker. So, I would like the musubi maker. I don't have it. But this giveaway will be, one person will win. It'll be random. All you have to do is watch all the videos the week long and comment on each one. And you might have your own, yes, Spam cutter. And it can be used for other things too, such as cheeses and other luncheon meats. I use it often. So make sure you watch the videos and comment on each one. Now, this year's Spamtember is only going to be a week long. So you have no excuse for missing a video. And we have a great lineup. I'll be kicking it off next Sunday, September 8th, and I am making an interesting party snack. On September 9th, Monday, we have Linda from Linda's Pantry. September 10th, Karen from the Kitchen with Karen. September 11th, Wednesday, we have Linda from Tulilu Creates. And September 12th, Thursday, Angie from the Inquisitive Farm Wife. Friday, September 13th, oh, Morgan from Road Preparedness, you have Friday the 13th. And then on Saturday, September 14th, it's Tiffany from Hamakua Homestead. And wrapping it up is Renee from Pine Creek on Sunday, September 15th. It is going to be a terrific, terrific time. I hope you watch every single video, get inspired to use Spam in other ways than just the traditional ways, and have fun just watching our videos. So, welcome to Spamtember. It will be Spam terrific.